And for more now on this situation in Guatemala, we're going to turn to our Central American correspondent, Gerardo Torres. He is there in Central America in Tegucigalpa. Gerardo, now we understand the president, Odo Pérez Molina there, he's asking for what has been called constitutional protection as this pressure on him to resign is growing rapidly there. Now, when I say that constitutional protection, what am I saying there? What exactly does that mean?
Well, this means that the president of Guatemala, because of his charge, cannot be sent to trial. And what the opposition and the society of Guatemala is demanding is that he renounce and he accepts to put on an investigation without this protection. What the Congress can do is that the Congress can vote to force him to be in an impeachment. But if he doesn't resign to his charge as president, or the Congress doesn't take out his impunity, it's impossible, according to the Guatemalan law, that he could be sent to jail or he could find any punishment. Well, what the opposition is saying and the society of Guatemala is demanding is that if Odo Pérez Molina has nothing to hide, nothing that he could be accused of, he should put down this protection that the Constitution gives him as the president and to face the trial. What he has said is that he's not willing to do it, that he is going to wait for the elections, that he is going to protect the democracy in Guatemala. And what happens is that if he doesn't renounce this and the Congress doesn't make any action, when he gives away the presidency, he's still a lawmaker of the Central American Parliament. So what the Congress can do is try to pressure him or try to make a decision, but the Congress doesn't have enough votes to do it by itself.
And let's talk more about the country's holding elections next Sunday. Do you think Guatemalans are likely to punish his party there, Pérez Molina's party?
The thing is that what the leader party is doing with Baltizón is trying to get all the votes of all these people that is outraged and is mad with angry for what's going on in the Guatemalan government. The problem is that the people that are in the streets, the majority, don't see Baltizón as a candidate of their own, don't see Baltizón as something different of the political class that has been ruling Guatemala for the last decade. And the problem is that they don't have a candidate. Many of these groups have been demanding that the elections would be postponed. This is not going to happen. The elections are going on Sunday. What people say is that they're going to let the election happen, that maybe the social movement that started as an anti-corruption movement can transform into something different. They will keep their eye in Baltizón as strongly as they did in Odo Pérez Molina, in all the Guatemalan political class that has been proved that is very corrupt in many of the public officials that is made of.
And Gerardo, the Congress there is due to decide tomorrow whether or not to lift the president's immunity. What can we expect there?
Well, the Congress, if the Congress gets the vote, if the Patriota Party, that is the party of Pérez Molina, decides probably to wash their hands and to try to fix their image, and with the leader party and other parties that are willing to find, if the Congress gets more than 100 votes that it needs, he could face trial. The thing is that the political class, probably by foreign pressure, is trying to let the election happen. Maybe after the election, he is still going to be president for 6 more months. Maybe after the election, this could happen. He could be taking away his immunity and he could face trial.
All right, Gerardo Torres joining us with the latest out of Guatemala. Gerardo, thanks again.